Namaskar. Hello everyone. RVD here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are in the playlist Programming in C Sharp, and it's the next video number 16, Vowel or Consonant. Okay, so let us see what exactly is the program and what we'll be learning from it. So the program says write a program to accept a small case alphabet. So here I'm restricting it purposely so that we'll not get into checking whether it's an alphabet or not and all. Even that can also be done. But we expect it to be a small case alphabet and we have to check whether it's a vowel or consonant. Okay. So likewise, if you look at the vowel, we'll have 5 of them: A, E, I, O, U. Okay. And the rest of them are considered to be consonant because we expect the input to be small case alphabet. I'll be first showing this using an if else, so we can very well combine all the vowels and we can do the checking. In the same video, I would switch this program to a switch case. Okay, so how exactly we can make use of switch case? We'll learn something called as fall through. So a lot of learning from this video. So let's head towards it. Okay, so let's see the let's do the program rather and see what all we can learn from it. Okay, so as usual, the initial part is ready. Enter a small case alphabet, that's the message. And because of this, we also had seen how to read a character. See, convert.toChar is a function which accepts a string and converts the first character of that string into a char form. Okay, so here we expect user to enter only a single character. So whenever a string is being read, ideally it should contain only a single character which will get converted to a character format. Okay, so in short, we've read a character from the user. Now first let us go with the if else style. So if ch is equal to let's say a small case, as we already had mentioned, or ch is equal to e, or ch is equal to I, or ch is equal to o, or ch is equal to u. Sorry, ch is equal to u. Fine, so these are the possible vowels that we have. So if my ch is matching with any of them, see, I've combined them with or. That means if any of this is true, it is going to return true, and that would be easy to conclude that it's a vowel. So I would simply say it's a vowel. Okay. Whereas if it doesn't match in the else part, as I'm again repeating myself that we are expecting a small case alphabet, anything which does not match with this has to be a consonant. So console.writeLine, in that I would say consonant. Okay, so currently this is the simple version of the program. Clear? Let us see quickly whether it works properly as per what we expect. Okay, so let me execute. Okay, so enter a small case alphabet. Let me enter R. It shows that it's a consonant. Perfect. Let me execute again. If I enter any of the vowel, let's say I enter U, it can very well identify it's a vowel. The only thing is that do not try this, because we say enter a small case alphabet. So if at all I go for let's say capital E, ideally it should be vowel, but as per our logic, it is not matching with that small case A, E, I, O, U, so it's going to give you consonant. Don't worry, it's not wrong, but currently our program is not capable of doing that. Instead of comparing with 5 vowels of only small case, one can go for matching it with all 10, that is 5 small case, 5 uppercase. Then obviously it will be identifying it correctly. Again, if at all I put something like let's say at the rate, currently if you look at the logic of the program, it's going to say it's a consonant. Okay, again this is not wrong because currently our program is targeting the input to be a small case alphabet. Okay, so the input itself is wrong. Don't worry, if at all you think and sit properly, you'll be able to make arrangements for all these things. So as soon as a character comes, you can have a check whether it's an alphabet or not. If not, you can immediately discard it with the message, error message, saying that it's not an alphabet. Then you can very well check with all small case as well as uppercase vowel to decide it's a vowel, and then if it is not, then we are dead sure that it is consonant. Okay, so all such improvements can be done very easily. Now let us see how exactly we can make use of a switch case here to get the similar program being done. Okay, so instead of having these many if or these many expression in if, okay, I'm going to take this ch in switch. Okay, now once I take it in the switch, then I need to check for all the vowels. So there will be 5 cases, and if it is not a vowel, then in default maybe I can say it's a consonant. So you can see case A. Now here we are going to understand one more concept, as and when we'll go ahead I'll tell you. So case E, case I, case O, and case U. Okay, now what you do is you do not put break between any of these cases, and straight away go to the last case and put these statements or statement rather, and then you put a break. Okay, that comes automatically. Then we'll have a default case. In that you can put this. Okay, after that also break is important. So I give break here, and this else is now of no use. Okay, so let us see how exactly it works, how it executes. So this concept is called fall through. Now see, if any of this case is matched, because there is no break between them, it is simply going to go down, or it's going to fall through till what it finds the last case, that is case U, and it executes this as a vowel. So for any of them, it's going to print the message as vowel, and it's going to break. So what if it doesn't match with any of them? You know the concept, it goes to default, and then it will be displaying it as a consonant. So it is exactly working the same way as we expect it to. Okay, so if AEIO is matched, it's vowel. If not, it is consonant. Here also instead of 5, we can have 10 cases where all capital case vowels also can be kept. But currently, again, we are targeting to a small case alphabet. Let us see how it works. Ideally, we should get the same output. Okay, so again, I'm putting something which is not a vowel. So it says it's a consonant. And let us check with vowel. So I'm putting E. It's coming as a vowel. So you can see E was actually here, but as there was no body, it had done the fall through to I, to O, to U, and then it has got the body to execute, which it has executed, and then obviously you got a break. So what you understood by that, how exactly a fall through can be used? First of all, it is used for combining the cases for which you want to have a common body. So if I want, let's say, these 5 cases to have a common body, I need to write them one after the other without break, and the common body has to be kept within the last case. Okay, that is the use of fall through. What if I don't want fall through? Then obviously you have an option of keeping break so that it does not fall through, but it will come out after that particular body of the case is executed. Okay, so that was a very simple program, but with a lot of learning. Okay, so we have taken a small case alphabet and we have checked whether it's a vowel or consonant. First, we have done it using if, where we had seen that multiple expressions were being kept in if by combining them with or. Okay, later on we had done this program using a switch case. We have understood what is the concept of fall through, that if we don't put break, then the control falls through, and ideally in the last case we'll have a body, so that for all the cases the common body will be executed. Okay, so that was it. This was one more example of, maybe we can say, if else as well as switch case, which we have implemented successfully. Okay, please go through all these programs. I've started with C# series as well. A lot of concepts are already being completed. We are doing programs. Further, we're going to go for more concepts. Okay, so do let me know your reviews, your feedbacks. You can put it in the comment box. If you have any doubts, you can put them in the comment box. We can have a discussion, and maybe people also will participate to answer your doubts as well. Okay, so that's it for the current video. Thank you and wish you a very happy learning.